Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome back to another video. In this video, we're going to be celebrating the CRTP from Altered Security. So I passed this last week and I'm making a video on my experience and my feedback, what I thought about the exam, what I thought about the labs and everything like that. So if you guys are new to the channel, please like, subscribe and share. Let's get into it and hear my feedback. Alrighty then, folks. So before we even get into my feedback, who is Altered Security and what is the CRTP exam? So Altered Security is a learning platform where they provide some certifications and all that stuff. They do labs, red team labs, boot camp, certifications, training, events, etc. I had the privilege of meeting the CEO and founder at, I think, DEF CON last year or 2 years ago when they were out there. Super cool guy, and his training was awesome, super informative. So thank you so much. And what are you going to learn? Well, before we get into everything here, we'll go over the platform. Obviously, I will not disclose or showcase my report or talk about the solution for the actual exam, but we can talk about everything else that I was told I can do, right? So first things first, the one thing that's different with this exam versus if you did OSCP or CPTS from Hack the Box is that you are doing everything in a Windows environment. Right? You are doing everything in PowerShell, you have Bloodhound and all that stuff, but you're doing it from a Windows machine. Just FYI, you don't have a Kali machine or something like that. You know, I'm using Kali here, but you use a Windows VM or a Windows machine for your exam. Just putting that out there before we get yelled at. So you start out and you go to the internet, and this is pretty much the lab. This is not the exam, this is the lab. So you connect to the internet, VPN, you go to your student's machine, and then the student's machine goes to a firewall, and then you have your forest root, you have your child domains, you have your trusted domains, and then you go to firewall and all that, you know, your databases or whatever. So the objective, what is the objective for this exam? The importance of Active Directory is an enterprise cannot be stressed enough. Obviously, every enterprise, if you have a decent size, you're probably running Active Directory or in the cloud, Intra ID or something like that. Like it says here, used by more than 90% of Fortune 1000 companies, so on and so forth, right? So you can see the Attacking and Defended Active Directory Certified Red Team Professional Lab is designed to provide a platform for security professionals to understand, analyze, and practice threats and attacks in a modern Active Directory environment. This is super, super true and super accurate. Like I said, this is all brand new to me. This is fresh off the press, so I just did it, and it was really good. And I'm not just saying that because of Altered Security. I'm just saying that from my own experience. Like when I did other reviews, I was very, very honest. This was a challenging exam. This was not a walk in the park. And I'll be the first one to say it. I thought it would be. You know, I have a decent amount of experience and I have, you know, decent amount of knowledge about Active Directory, attacks, etc. And it was challenging. I'm not going to say it was a walk in the park. It was, you know, they did, from what I've heard, they did change the exam and they made it harder. I think previously when people did the exam, it was super easy from what I've heard, but the new revised one has been updated, and I talked to a few people that have done the new ones, and I did a new one. So I was like, hey, like, what is your experience? What are your thoughts? And so on and so forth. And this is the feedback I got as well. So, you know, what's included when you get your lab, and I will be giving, you know, a code so you can get a percentage off for your exam, your training, etc. on the Altered Security, and it's AS InfoSec Pat, I believe, but don't quote me on it. I do have it handy, so I'll get that over to you guys in the description below. Anyhow, so access, and what do you get here? What's included is access to a lab environment, 1, 2, or 3 months. We have 30, 60, 90 days with an updated 2022 server using a VPN. ready, and you have a ready to use student VM in the cloud, so you don't have to worry about anything. It's updated, has Sliver C2 pre-installed. Yes, it does. Lifetime access to all learning materials, including course updates, which really is amazing. This is awesome. And so on and so forth, right? You guys can check it out here. What you will learn, you can practice, attacking Windows Server, SQL Server, and so on and so forth. And let's see, down here you have to understand, this is some of the prerequisites for the course. If you don't understand what Active Directory is, this is going to be an extra challenge, right? I don't want to say anything is ever impossible, but having some basic understanding of Active Directory, even as a sysadmin, understanding what AD is, group policies are, PowerShell, just basic commands will definitely bring you a long way. And then the ability to use command line tools in Windows. Like I said, this is 100% Windows driven, and a lot of the tools you will use in PowerShell or command prompt. So understanding those tool sets and understanding the command line will definitely help. So the purchase on-demand lab, you have the on-demand lab for 30-day lab access and lifetime access for the courses in one-time attempt for $250. 60 days is $379, and then $500 for 90-day access. So, and the extension, you can do 30-day extension, one complimentary for exam attempt for $199. And if you just want to reattempt the exam, thank God I didn't have to do that. It's only $99. Okay, so that's it for here. You can just go ahead and add it to your cart if you want to do whatever, 30, 60, 90 days. And I can ask them, but I don't think, don't quote me on this, I don't think you can actually do just the exam. I see exam reattempt, but I don't see attempt. So I think the minimum you have to get is $250 for 30 days. And then if God forbid you fail, you can do the reattempt for $100. So minimum is $250. Okay. Okay. So that's pretty much that. I'm not going to go over everything. You can read what you're going to learn. There's 23 objectives, 59 tasks, over 124 hours of torture. It is a lot of information. Definitely a lot of information. And, here goes the breakdown. Active Directory enumeration, you will learn first. Offensive security or offensive PowerShell tradecraft. Offensive .NET tradecraft, that's a tongue twister. Local privesc, domain persistence. And then cross-trust attacks, abusing ADCS. Defense and bypass of MDE, Microsoft Defender for Endpoint, EDR. So, and then defense and bypass of MDI, which is Microsoft Identity Protection. And defense and bypass architecture and work culture changes, defense monitoring, defense and bypass deception, so on and so forth. So there's a lot of information. So what I would recommend is take thorough notes, and they give you all the tools. You can download all the tools from Altered Security, and you can just put that into your environment and make sure you have your tools ready for your exam. Don't do a willy-nilly, I want to get my tool when I'm ready. You can preload all your tools onto their VM and then start the exam, and you should be good. Don't try to, because you only have 24 hours, right? So Nikhil, awesome instructor. I have to say, he's very thorough. Thank you again for this opportunity. Hopefully I'll see you again soon, and I'll be seeing you guys for our CRTE and hopefully the CRTM one day. We'll see how far I go. But anyhow, this is some stuff about him, the purchase options like we went over. And if you have any questions, you can fill out this Google Doc. All right. So I know that's a lot of talking. Now, when you get the lab, this is what you go to. You go to enterprisesecurity.io. This is what you'll see, right? So you have your lab details. You have your, I'm not going to start clicking around, but let me just zoom that in a little bit more. And you see, everything here. And then here we have I want to try to, cut out some stuff that I don't want shown and I don't want to get in trouble, but all of this stuff it should be good. So the important information to know about the exam, please send over your report only in PDF format. What does that mean? If you do it into Word, convert into a PDF format within 40 hours of completion of your exam to, adlabsupport@alteredsecurity.com. The exam is 24 hours completely hands-on experience. So this was fun. It was challenging. Like I said, once started the exam lab runs for 25 hours. You have an additional hour for completion of lab setup and attend. That's awesome to know and to be given. End exam button will destroy the lab. So do not, if you go to bed, take a snack, take a rest, do not end your exam. The exam has 5 targets, which will be across the domains and have different configurations, applications running on them. You will have access to a VM named Student VM or STUD VM in the exam lab that doesn't count as a target machine. This is really, really good to know. This is why before you start your exam, read this exam or certification exam notes and take notes of it. You can reboot the individual exams in your VMs in your exam. The goal, this is the bread and butter of completing your exam. It's not like you're collecting a whole bunch of flags. It's pretty realistic. And when you get to your final, the goal is to get to your final flag.txt. And once you have that, you completed the exam, right? And then please note that there is no need to, for any type of brute force attacks, which involves using a dictionary. You don't have to do any of that. Everything is, you have the tools and you just utilize that. Anyhow, so let's see. There's a lot of information here. I don't want to go through every single thing, but there's some cool stuff, right? And then for the labs, you can access the labs, lab manuals, walkthrough videos. Like if you get caught up on a lab, you can watch a walkthrough video. You can watch course videos, the old videos, and how to connect to Discord, etc. And then the next one, I want to. All right, let me go back here for a second. If you do other offerings, like this was just the one exam. So other offerings here, you have the CRTE, Certified Red Team Expert. Then you have the Master, which is Global Centralized Bank. This seems pretty cool. If we just click on here, you'll come to their site and it'll show you their, let me make this a little smaller. It'll show you the course, the Red Team Labs, and so on and so forth, certification, what you'll get. And this is pretty much the lab setup, right? So that's pretty much it. Right, and then you keep going down. You have Certified Red Team. Can't see, my mic's in the way. Oh, Cloud Red Team Technical for attacking and defending the Azure. CARTE Certified Red Team, Certified Azure Red Team Expert, and so on and so forth. Right. So with that, and then this is Bloodhound in the cloud, which is really, really cool. And then once you complete everything, right, then you get this cool certification here, Certified Red Team Professional. And obviously I'm Patrick Gorman, and I completed this today is May 4th. So this is today. I got my results. I did my exam last week, but anyhow, it took about 7 days for them to, give me the results. And my overall experience, hopefully that helps you. Obviously, I can't give, I can't give, the exam or what I was given in the cloud and whatever, so on and so forth, the solution for the exam. But my overall experience from this CRTO, it was really, really fun. I really, really enjoyed this. And, I'm looking forward to doing CRTE and hopefully CRTM one day if I get the opportunity to. So if you're asking me the question, should you do CRTP? I think absolutely. It gives you the experience from an attacker's perspective in Microsoft Windows, right? So if you're just a Linux guru and you're just running all your commands from Linux, this gives you that other perspective from attacking on a Windows environment. And I think, there's not too much bad things to say. Like I've seen, oh, the labs are really slow. The labs are really this, that, and the other. I didn't have that experience. I don't know if it's because the internet speed I had. I don't know if it's whatever, I don't know if I just got lucky, but I didn't have any hiccups. I didn't have any sluggish. I didn't have any of that. When you have a VM booting up, that's, if I have a Windows VM or a Linux VM booting up in VMware, it's going to take a second, right? It's a virtual machine. But as far as like latency and network connectivity issues, nothing. Everything was phenomenal. So yeah, that's pretty much my feedback. I would recommend it to anyone. It took me, how long did it take me to complete this? It took me, I think, I would have to say probably 8 or 10 hours to complete everything. And then I had to work on the report, right? But to do the exam itself, I think it was, I don't remember now. Because I took breaks, I did this, I did that, but I think a total of maybe 8 to 10 hours from start to finish. Like I said, it wasn't like this CPTS, no, I mean like the PMPT or the PJPT for TCM, like where it was, you run responder and, just like in the labs and you get a hash and then, so on and so forth. It wasn't that easy. It was a challenge. So if you're up for a challenge, use the promo code in the description, get yours today, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you. And thank you, Altered Security, for the opportunity. Much love.